So Blue Thunder is a Quebec exploration company. We've got 100,000 acres of claims just south of Chibougamau, Quebec. Now Chibougamau is located about 6 hours north of Quebec City. It's mining country. There are mines in the area, very easy to explore. And we've been exploring for about 4 years there. We bought those properties because we thought the exploration potential was fantastic. In fact, we have neighbors in the area that have discovered mines. Notably, IAMGOLD has discovered a 3 million ounce deposit called Nelligan. We have the same structure as Nelligan. We have 14 kilometers of that structure. So what we've done so far in 2022 is explore our extensive land position to try to find drill targets. Exploration is a very simple process. You start by looking through geochemistry, geophysics, and then once you define prime targets, you drill them. So that's what we've done so far this year, and we're very anxious to release some results on what we've done. We understand that there are lots of exploration companies, but what Blue Thunder offers is the following. Number one, the jurisdiction is fantastic politically. The Quebec government is very supportive of mineral exploration. Second, our geology is outstanding. We're surrounded by mines and mineral deposits. Third, the exploration cost is very low for us because there are lots of roads, power, lots of mining expertise in the area. So we get a lot of value for each dollar spent. So if an investor were to invest, let's say $1,000 in exploration in that space, we would recommend Blue Thunder because the risk reward is very, very favorable. It wouldn't take us very much for our stock to rise manyfold. The value creation potential is enormous for exploration in general, but in particular for Blue Thunder because we've got lots of potential on our properties. If an investor were to invest in Blue Thunder today, the benefit is that we're trading at almost our lowest price. We've been brought down like the rest of the junior exploration companies in this market. We're not alone. So the value is there, okay? The value proposition is there. The interesting thing is we've spent the last 4 years and spent $5 million exploring our properties, defining targets. We've spent our money judiciously, and we're very, very close to making a discovery. We're waiting on assays. Our geologists have been very busy so far this year, and we're very excited about our potential. Our vision for Blue Thunder is the following. We strongly believe in the value of our properties, and we know that our neighbors are also interested in our properties. For the time being, we feel that going alone is the best strategy. And so what we're going to do is we're going to continue exploring, creating value. We're going to continue to be very judicious in our allocation of capital so that investors know that every dollar spent is a wise dollar spent. But there's no doubt that we think there will be consolidation in our neighborhood. There are 3 deposits that surround us. One of our neighbors has just made a new discovery. So the area, undoubtedly in my mind anyway, will be much more active for consolidation, and we might be part of that in the future. We don't know. So Blue Thunder's management is headed by Jean-François Métaille. JF used to work at some very, very large gold companies like Barrick and Placer Dome, and he has extensive experience in the gold space. He's extremely knowledgeable, very credible, and a very objective, smart thinker. He's a very good geoscientist. So JF is the one that heads our exploration. In the field, we've got a team of very strong geologists as well. These are folks that are working very actively, breaking rocks and taking samples and making sure that we make a discovery.